What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Sam610. So this is going to be part number 3 of this series that I had mentioned before in my previous videos. So what we had before is my lockdown of my niches that I have on YouTube, which is vlogs, tech reviews, and YouTube tips. And my last video was about having a good channel banner, which you can create online for free. And the third part, which is what this video is going to be about, is also about your about on your YouTube channel. So my last about on my channel, about me, was one sentence saying that, "Hi, my name is Sam. I create random videos and having fun with my family," or something like that. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to hone in on that and give somebody an explanation to who I am and why I'm here and what I can do for you when you come to my channel. So we're going to read something basic that I have on my channel, and this is something I took about 10 or 15 minutes, not a whole lot of time figuring this out. And I want to read this to you guys, and you guys can actually take my name out, take my information out. You can use this as a template if you're, a new creator and you're not really sure what to write about. Maybe this will help you. Of course, take out my name and take out, my location, things like that, and then just go ahead and add your information. So I'm going to go over with you guys word for word what I added in my about page, and you guys can let me know what you think. Let me know if something like this can actually help you out, and I'm hoping it can help me. It can't hurt me, so hopefully it can help me. So we are on my channel, and we're going to go to my about page on my channel, and I'm going to read what I had wrote. So basically I said, "Hello, my name is Sam, 40, from Reading, Pennsylvania. I am married with 2 kids. My career is in banking by day, and I do YouTube for a hobby on the side for fun. I wanted to create a YouTube channel for vlogging, tech reviews, and give you my best YouTube tips that help me gain subscribers. My channel will bring value for each video, I hope." Because not everybody might get value from my channel. You never know. So I just figured I'd put the "I hope" there in parentheses. You guys can do the same if you want to as well. Some of my videos may be off topic, but I love to create anything I can dream of inside my head. So basically I put that there saying, hey, my channel's about vlog, tech reviews, and YouTube tips, but every now and then I might do a video that's not related to that. So I want to let everybody know that up front. Please feel free to let me know how I'm doing as a YouTuber. Also, please consider dropping me a like on one of my videos and subscribe. So there you have it. And, at the bottom here, I have please subscribe for my recent updates. I should probably say please subscribe for my latest videos or something like that, whatever. But you guys get the point, and whoever reads that will get the point as well. So basically, within a paragraph or so, I was able to explain, who I am, which is in the beginning, a little bit of background on myself, and then what about my channel? What's my channel about? I told you my channel is about vlogging, tech reviews, and it's going to be about YouTube tips, and hopefully that will bring you value. And at the end, I threw that out there, let me know how I'm doing as a creator, as a YouTuber. Are you happy with what I do? Please consider liking one of my videos or subscribing, which, I wanted to throw that punchline in there at the end. So, it's not exactly, it might not be worded the best, whatever, but you get the point. When you come to my channel, you can go right to my about. I thought about maybe copying this about and adding it in every single one of my video descriptions, just so if you come to my video and you happen to go to my description, you can see who I am. You don't have to go to my about page, so you can see, a little bit of background on myself, what my target audience is, what my goals are in this channel, and so forth. So hopefully you guys get some value out of this. Hopefully this will help you. Like I said, if you guys want to take any of this, from my channel and you want to just copy and paste it in your about and just take out, the information about myself in there and just add it with your information, I'm happy to give that information to you guys. It's not like it's top secret. Anybody can come through and copy and paste it and add it to their channel. But this maybe will give you guys a little bit of a baseline, if you will, to help you create an about you on your channel, and give you guys a little bit of, reference, save you guys a little bit of time, on your channel. If you're creating, you're working, I get it. You're probably just as busy as I am, but I wanted to give you guys something, and, this is part of me rebuilding Sam 610. So if you found any value to this, if it's going to help your channel out, if you happen to like what I wrote, please give me a like. And as always, guys, I'm here with you. Later.